This error is quite funny. I can't browse the Windows 11 installation files on a Windows 11 computer. Smart App Control blocked a file that may be unsafe. To browse the files, follow these steps. Start. Settings. Privacy and Security. Windows Security. App and Browser Control. Full Screen. Smart App Control. Smart App Control Settings. You switch it to off. Yes, I'm sure. Off. Check the result. Windows 11. The above is how to browse the Windows 11 installation files. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Open. Good luck. List of files.